life as a social climber. Happy birthday to you! Hi friends, it's Aya. How y'all doing? So right now, magpe-prepare na ako for the day 2 of celebrating Kuya's birthday. We celebrated yesterday, August 30, with Papa. Thank you! This will not be a get ready with me, ha? Hindi ako maalam kasi mag-makeup. So, I'm with Ate Julie and Kuya!
We are Dora for today's video.
She's my fit. Hi everyone!
Hello!
Oh, sige, masugsug ka. Sa bus na maalog.
Ito mga wakas.
Dapat may class type.
Kamusta ka naman sa galang to?
Masaya naman ako, pero naalog ako eh. Mission success. Nakakain ka sa bus. Ang pagbaba sa bus, mga social plan. Sa Petex. Welcome to
Nasa Petex kami. Kuya, saan tayo mapunta?
Punta kami ng Taguig sa Petex Mall.
Ganda, mga probinsyana. Pwede ba mag-dive dyan?
Try ko.
Thank you! Yung makaya. Yung may birthday pa yung nag-video.
Kaya maraming ba?
Ay! You're so big! Kasing laki niya si Malo. Oo.
Ano mo siya kumain sa pagkain?
Kala ko ganun yun.
Siyang mga gusto.
Kaya naghahanap ng biglaang gift kay Kuya.
Ang mga social climber ay pagod na.
Grabe ang BGC moment. Nilakad lang ng 30 minutes.
Isang street lang to ha, sa lagay na to. Pero pagod na ang katawang lupa.
Pauwi na kami. Hi guys, we're on our way home. Bye-bye. Hi guys, time check. Ano oras na? 11:02.
11:02.
Pauwi na kami.
Nyo ang indang. Wala nang masyadong people out here.
Pauwi na kami kasama ang birthday boy. Napagod na pagod.
Tapos na po ang one day being a social climber.
Bye-bye.
Back to reality.
Bye-bye ka na. Okay, hi friends, it's Aya here from the future. This was filmed on August 31, meaning it's been a couple of days now. I haven't edited it full yet because I want to give this disclaimer kasi this vlog is, for me, it's really hard to film. Kaya puro montage lang yung na-film ko. Whenever nagkakaroon ako ng chance na mag-film, nag-film ako. Pero as you can tell, hindi naman ako masalita whenever I film or whenever I vlog. Overall, that trip to Venice Mall and BGC was really fun. I was with Kuya, my cousin, and Kuya JP when we celebrated his birthday. And honestly, at that point, it's not really that hindi ko alam kung ano i-film ko. It's just that I also want to celebrate that special day for my brother without touching any phone frequently. But I tried, as you can tell, I tried filming everything. As you can tell from the vlog naman na 30 minutes lang yung tinagal. Halos Hindi nga, 10 minutes lang yung tinagal namin dun sa BGC. We all got agitated and we decided to call it a day. I completely forgot to film an outro for this vlog kasi as you can tell, we went home pretty late. So as you can tell naman, wala na akong energy nun para mag-film pa ng outro. So right now, nagkaroon na ako ng energy to edit this vlog and finally, magkaroon ng proper outro. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye friends! Bye-bye!